In this video, I will show you how to generate stunning Studio Ghibli-style images using ChatGPT-4o. Let's get started. First, I head over to the ChatGPT interface and click on the message bar to start my prompt. I want a very specific look, so I type in a detailed request. Generate a high-quality aesthetic image in the distinct Studio Ghibli anime style. To give the scene some life, I describe a thoughtful young adventurer standing on a grassy hill, overlooking a vast valley at sunset. I make sure to mention cinematic sunlight filtering through gentle clouds and request hand-painted watercolor textures with a soft pastel color palette to capture that whimsical and nostalgic atmosphere the studio is famous for. Once the prompt is ready, I hit the send button. Now, I just wait a moment while ChatGPT starts the creative process. You can see the progress on the screen as it begins sketching it out, making the first draft, and setting the scene. It's currently polishing the details, finishing up the composition, and adding those final touches that really bring the Ghibli aesthetic to life. And there it is, a beautiful, high-quality anime-style image. I click on the image to get a better look at the results. The lighting and the colors are exactly what I was looking for. Now, I want to make sure it's perfect, so I'll explore some of the built-in tools. I can click the Edit button if I want to make specific changes, but for now, I'm going to play around with the viewing options. I adjust the zoom level, moving from 125% down to 110%, then all the way to a wider view at 50% and 33% to see how the composition holds up at different scales. I'll bring it back up to a comfortable 75% for one last look. Everything looks great, from the detailed backpack on the adventurer to the rolling hills in the distance. To save the masterpiece, I move the cursor to the top right corner, click the share icon, and then select the download button. My new Ghibli-style image is now saved to my computer. I'll open the final file just to see it in full resolution. The textures and the sunset glow look incredible, and that's how you can easily create your own anime-inspired art with ChatGPT-4o. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.